Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a golf grip for reuse. Start by securing the club in a vise with a soft clamp to protect the shaft. Cut the old grip longitudinally using a hook blade, then peel it away carefully. Apply solvent to the tape residue and use a rag to wipe clean. Let the shaft dry fully before installing a new or reused grip, ensuring proper alignment and stick. In this video, I will show how to remove a golf grip for reuse. Begin by gathering a vise, hook blade, solvent, and rags on a clean bench. Secure the club so it cannot move when you cut, and wear gloves to protect your hands. Cut the grip from top to bottom and peel it off slowly to avoid tearing tape into small pieces. Finish by applying solvent to remove adhesive residue and allow drying. In this video, I will show how to remove a golf grip for reuse. Quick recommendation. If you like reading while waiting between holes, the new Kindle Paperwhite is lightweight, waterproof, and has long battery life, making it perfect for golf bags. If you enjoy this content, please subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to remove a golf grip for reuse. Score the grip carefully and peel from the butt end to avoid damaging the shaft. Apply solvent over remaining tape and let it sit for a minute before wiping with a rag. Use a plastic scraper for stubborn adhesive, then finish with a dry cloth. Check the shaft and ferrule for damage and ensure everything is clean and dry prior to reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.